Alright, so we got a Maserati Ghibli here. I'm going to show you how to pull the door panel off, since there's no videos on this. So, it's actually pretty simple. So this little piece right here slides out of the door panel. You pop this up out, and there's two bolts right in here that hold the door panel on. And then also, you pop this piece right here out, and there's another two bolts. One right in here, and one right in here. So you got four bolts there, and then you have one additional bolt that is, let me grab my trim tool here. It's down here behind this light. So you get a trim tool in there, pop the light out like that. You can see the little tab. That's how you get that out. And then there is a bolt right there. Undo that bolt. And all of the bolts are, I believe, 4mm Allens. Yeah. No, sorry, 5mm Allens. Camera focus. So, that's all you have to do. Take the door panel off, and then you just work your way around the edge and just pop it off. It's got just simple clips that hold it in. Once you pop all the clips out all the way around, the door panel will then just slide up. You slide it up and take it off. One other thing I did left out is the defroster vent up top here. This just slides right out the top. You just pop it up. It's got a little clip right here, and then it's got two little clips on the bottom there. So it just pops right up out of the door panel. It's actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. So, that's how you pull the door panel off of a Ghibli. It's an SQ4. One more time, now that the bolts are in, I just want to point them out. You got two bolts here that are underneath the little cubby here. You have a bolt in here, a bolt right here, and then one bolt right inside here, inside this little light. And that's how you remove the door panel.